Mnangagwa warns of more Chiwenga packs. The ZANU-PF leader and president of Zimbabwe, Emmerson Mnangagwa, is warned of further packs within the ruling party targeting elements opposed to his leadership. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panapa tiri kuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika achiuya panguva inoyi achipa mawarnings kune masupporters ari kushowa support kuna General Chiwenga, achivaudza kuti aiwa the state security haisi kuneta kuzouya kuzokubatai. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa now Pumbrang Pamchinski. Chiwenga, a key architect of the 2017 coup that ousted Araji Mugabe and installed Mnangagwa, was once considered his natural successor for the 2028 elections. However, tensions between the two have intensified, prompting Mnangagwa to systematically sideline military figures loyal to Chiwenga. Sanyato's removal is widely seen as a continuation of this strategy. Previously, he commanded the Presidential Guard and played a controversial role in suppressing post-election protests in 2018. He was later appointed Zimbabwe's ambassador to Tanzania, a move interpreted as an effort to sideline him. His return to a prominent military post in 2023 signaled Chiwenga's attempt to regain lost ground, but Mnangagwa's swift decision to reassign him underscores the ongoing battle of supremacy within the ruling elite. The situation is now tense. Tiona kuti aiwa mapower plays ari kuitika the ruling party anozorodza kuti aiwa the situation aiwa haisina kana kutombo haina kana kutombomira zvakanaka, munhu anonyura chete. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nai comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.